so that for people who join late, they will be able to come back. So first and foremost, we will take the custom sort, what I was telling. Okay, let me take the custom sort. Just tell me once the screen comes, whether you are able to see. Is the screen visible, sir?
Yeah, yeah, screen is visible.
This one? Yeah, it should be visible. So have a look at this data which I have given. Okay. This data has got order ID, customer name, item, order date, required date, ship date, order amount, ship city. Now, normally when we sort, what will happen? You can sort the customer name. How many types of sort we can do, sir? Customer name. Customer name, how can we sort it? Either descending or ascending. Is there any other way to sort?
Usually A to Z to A.
A to Z or Z to A. Am I right?
Only two types. Two
things. But what happens? This is how the sort order will be there. Am I right? Sorry. The sort order will be something like this. You can have a look at it.
Correct.
A, B, C, D. Amag Enterprise, Beauty Limited, Charu Incorporated, Delta Associates. For some reason or other, you wanted that Charu Incorporated to be first, then Amag Enterprises, then Delta, then Beauty. How do we do that, sir? You must have come across this kind of a situation, mainly when you have a region, let's say southern region, and or Tamil Nadu or southern region. Now the biggest city is Chennai. Next biggest city could be Bangalore or Hyderabad or whatever it is. But if I sort it city-wise, B will come first. And if some other city by starting with A, Andipati is there, then that will come before Chennai. So we want Chennai to come first. Something like that. You must have come across when you are working in an organization. So what we normally circumvented is we put a code. We put Chennai as 1, then maybe Bangalore as 2, so that you sort the code instead of the city. Now just have a look at
another example.
Yeah.
Usually when we download the invoices, it will be spread over all the different regions.
Okay.
Intra-city, intrastate, interstate and all.
Okay, sir.
Generally, we would like to have customers from the different types of
well, maybe within one region or whatever.
May not be with the ABC.
True.
A may be in Andhra Pradesh, whereas we would like to have it from.
Yes, sir. So what now I am going to demonstrate is, how do I do that? Let us assume, sir, these are all the 4 So we will just copy it for easier sake. I kept all these 4 cities here. Now I want Charu to come first. Sir, just look from column K to this place. I'll make it smaller so that it becomes visible for you people. Is the screen visible, sir? Now, from column K, I have again sorted the same thing in the same order. Now I will change this one to Charu Incorporated. I will make it as the first one. Just look at the sorts, sir. What has happened?
Yeah, Charu has come first.
Now, because here I will make now Charu A, C, B, A, D. Suppose you wanted it D to come there and Amag Enterprises to come here. Now here C, B, D, A.
So by moving it up and down in the custom sort, then
no, sir. I have kept I am now telling the system, I want the sort order this way. Okay. That is what I am telling the system. I want the sorting to be done on C, B, D, A.
Okay.
Suppose I want it should be C A, then DB, then I will be able to do that. I'm doing it. C A, then B after D. So we got everything changed here. This will be very useful in the way in which you are talking about your customer invoices and also. It's a good function, isn't it, sir?
Yeah, definitely.
See, I would like to hear others who are, because I'm not able to see who has joined, who has not joined. I saw some newcomer in this one. So we will see how it is to be done. This is done by a command called sort by. I'll show you the command. Normally we use only sort. We do not use the advanced version of sort. So first for that, what we will have to do is we write down the sort data in the way in which we want and select this range and give a name. You can have a look at it. I had given a name, sir. Are you able to see that? The name is here. Sort order 1. That is the name. Individually, Charu is J4, Amar is J5, Delta is J6, Beauty is J7. But we can name a range. That is what I have done. I have now given a name for this range. Name is sort order 1. So I go to the first cell with the same heading. So I went to the first cell and you can have this one there. Sort by what is this one? You just have a look at it. Sort by A2 to H1 is the complete table. Where is my table? Let's have a look at it. The sorting table is starting from A1 to, you can have a look at it, up to, this is the one, H31. That is the table. So what I have given here, I have gone there and said sort by table A2 to H31. Then I am telling match. Match what? Match B column. No, B column is the customer name. So I had gone there and said match the customer name column with the sort order. Sort order, whatever sort order I am now giving in this place, you match in that order. 0 means exact match and then give me the output. That is what it does. You can just have a look at the this one again. Sort by table range and what I should match, the column in which my customer name was there, and match with what? This is the place. Match with whatever I have given in this range. You can give the sort order 1 instead of sort order 1. You can say $J, $4 to $J, $7 also you can give. But normally we give a name for a range and it becomes easy. So the system works, the RAS function works this way. Sort by instead of a simple sort A2 to H31, the complete thing, match with this particular thing. So when I have said match, now I go back and change it to this particular original order. Just have a look at it. The sort order changes here in this side. You change. So this is the first one I thought I will try to discuss today. Sir, any comment by anyone? I will stop the screen sharing so that if you want to ask me anything or you have any feedback on the first one what we saw, I'll be happy to answer. Please.
How do you put the start order 1 there? Name this first column.
Sir, what you should do, I'll again share it, sir. Please hold on. 1 second. I'll share. Just hold on for a second. Just give me a second, sir. I'll show you.
Thank you.
So is my screen visible?
Visible.
Yeah. See, normally what happens, sir?
Ah.
This is a range. Am I right?
Okay.
This range is called J4 to J7. Normally,
Okay.
how do we write this range? J4 double colon J7. We write this way, or we write double J7. Am I right?
Okay.
Correct?
Correct.
You must remember this. Instead of that, I am giving a name. I select that range and I can
Okay.
simply give a name here. I right click and then I say define name. So the name
Okay.
I have defined now. So this is the one. So I have given a name. I have given initially a name as sort order 1. That is the
Okay.
name I have given. Just have a look at it. Sort
Okay.
order 1 is the name I had given here.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
This place. This is what I have written. Sort order 1 is the name. I have zoomed it for your benefit.
Okay.
So
Sir.
the command is very simple now. When we work, I have gone to the, because you will have to copy the same heading now because you have to put the sort order. So I have given the same heading. Now you go to the first column, the first row after the heading, then give this particular command. What is this command? Sort by A2 to 31 is the table, the original
Yeah.
table. And if I had simply said sort by A2 to H21 and B2 B31, it will sort on the customer name. But what I have said, match the customer name column with the sort order 1, whatever I had given. That is what I am instructing. So what happens? Whatever sort order now I have given here, it sorts on this order. Let's say Beauty Limited first. Beauty Limited first. Amag Enterprises second. Amag Enterprises second. It has changed. Is that clear, sir?
Very good, sir. Clear, sir.
So this you people will be able to use extensively wherever you want to use. Okay. Any Gopalakrishnan sir, any comment? Anything?
No, please go ahead.
Okay. It will be useful, I believe, to people because you come across many such situations which will help you to tide over the thing. Okay.
Yeah, actually, in the ERP, we are given a dump. So many times, we have to, for example, the TB, the entire TB dump is given, trade balance.
Okay.
So we have to only restrict to the data which is related to the cost. So this will be useful when we go with we can copy the same and then do this sorting.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. See, the idea is, sir, normally what happens, we try to do something in a different way, which I thought I will not do that. Okay, sir. Sir, I am closing this one.